Here's a Yeezy repair. This Yeezy shoe has a tear in the foam here. I'm going to repair it. First thing I'm going to do is moisten the ripped material with water and then apply an adhesive mix. I've got about 10 minutes to work with the mix, and I'm going to make sure that I get it on all the torn parts of the foam. It only needs to be applied on one side, and wipe away the excess and then apply some tape to brace the joint. And the joint needs to cure for 24 hours before you can flex it. And after I get the joint taped up on the outside, I'll turn my attention to the inside of the shoe, and I'm going to add a fiber reinforcement to the inside area, and this will strengthen the repair quite a lot. So I'll cut a piece of fiber reinforcement to fit the area there, and then I will embed that mesh with some more of the adhesive mix. And I want to make sure that I get the mesh totally embedded and covered entirely with the adhesive. And once I get all that covered up, then I'll just go back and smooth it out and wipe away any excess. And after 24 hours, I can remove the tape and check it out. The adhesive mix will allow it to flex, but the mesh will help keep it from tearing again. It's a good repair, and I'm happy with the results. You can barely see that it's been repaired, and I believe the mesh will be a very strong repair. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.